Hi guys, I'm Shmi, and today I wanted to show you a new product that I think is quite interesting. So as you know, I go to a lot of car events, and one of the problems is keeping a car clean. So I'm joined here today by Cesar from Vulcanet, who's going to tell us a little bit about what we can do to help with this problem.
Yes, absolutely. So as everybody can imagine, when you clean your car, you need all these stuffs. Bucket, sponge, all the products you need.
Yeah,
water.
That's
gloves.
why I'm not normally very good at doing it myself, because of all the preparation that has to go into it.
Yeah, but today we're not here to showing you the regular things to clean your car. We have a new product here, calling Vulcanet. It's all-in-one product, and we are about to show you how it works.
Washing without water.
Yeah, absolutely.
Exactly what we need. Right, let me take a quick look around the car. This is one of the things with a bright green car. It never looks particularly dirty, which works very conveniently for me. As you can see, I had a motorway journey yesterday, so we've got a ton of flies all over the front, even some unfortunate mess on here, which we can clean up. Bit of dirt down the side, standard kind of stuff you'd expect, really. And I couldn't resist. I even wrote "clean me" on the back, although never do that on your own car because you might scratch it. But this has the paint protection film, of course, and one of the cool things is that this will work on that. So let's make a start.
So basically this is a brand new tube. Just have to take the seal off. So all the products you need are in the wipes. So you just pull one out, fold it, and let's go. All the dirt will go in the wipe. You see my finger?
Yeah.
Everything stick at where I put pressure. And you don't have to rub, just let the product make its effect. And after that, you take your microfiber cloth. Simple as that. And again the same. Don't have to rub, just make the formula hot. And that's over, you see?
Yeah, that looks pretty clean to me.
5 seconds and it's absolutely clean. And I can still continue with the same wipe. Go here.
You can use this on cars, bikes, interior, exterior.
Absolutely, bicycles, pretty much anything who have wheels, you can use it on. even in your house for your shower, in your kitchen. Yeah, it was.
Well, I should definitely be using this to clean my bicycle. I haven't cleaned that in years, and it looks a mess.
And you see how quick it is.
Completely.
We are in the middle of the street. And
you can just clean a car.
Yeah, and for example, just to show you as well, so here we had tar and rubber.
Yeah.
With all the dirt as well. Still come here. It was black, but I still can go on my mirror, and you see everything remain on the wipe. So you won't.
So the wipe keeps all the dirt inside. It doesn't drop it back onto the car.
And so with everything on the wipe, I can go on my mirror, no scratching.
Yeah. Okay.
That's a big thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely.
Same as well for the window, for example. So it will work on absolutely any part of the car, of a bike, any part, absolutely any part.
Time to try it on the challenging bits up here.
Yeah.
Sorry to make you do this.
No, I am used to that, it's my work actually. So I'll just move it away.
Yeah, that was yesterday.
Yeah.
Unpleasant.
You don't have to worry when it makes a bit of sound, because as I say, you have no risk of scratching. You see? Everything went off. And always the same. First you use the cloth and then the microfiber cloth. So, you see? Nothing left.
Easy. Does it work that well on all the flies and things?
Yeah.
There's a total mess going on down here. These always cause me a problem, especially with all the long drives and road trips around Europe. You get flies everywhere.
Yeah. Can you imagine that?
I think the next time before I turn up to one of the meeting events we host in different cities, I'll have to give the car a quick clean with this before we get there.
Yeah, and actually I saw that on your videos as well.
Yeah, because everybody takes so many photos. I hate the car looking so dirty.
You were struggling to find an area to clean it, so now...
Yes, exactly, in Germany. We were in Germany on a Sunday, and I think it's illegal to clean your car on Sunday in Germany. It's using a proper open location for it. But
So of course sometimes the flies need a bit of work.
Yeah.
Because it's dry. But
knowing you can do this without having to rub it with something that's causing damage.
Yeah.
And so, how long does a single cloth last?
It depends on the weather. For example, today it's a bit hot.
So it's very dry,
The car is a bit hot as well.
Yeah.
So the product, because we have chemicals, it will evaporate a bit. But the best way to use this product is on the shade, and when it's not too hot. But for example, for a car like this, to clean it all the way, you will need only 5 wipes like this.
Okay, 5 wipes to clean a whole car. How many do you get in a box, in a tub?
80.
80?
80, yeah.
Okay, and so you've got a good 15, 20 washes or so.
Yeah, absolutely. And still, same wipe. And go here on the rim.
Okay, yeah.
See?
Pick up a lot of dirt in there.
Yeah, works very well on brake dust.
Yeah.
Which you get with this carbon ceramic brakes.
Yeah, of course. Especially if you're driving nice countryside roads like I was yesterday.
Or even in London as well. You have to brake all the time.
So many brake.
Yeah.
Constantly. Traffic light to traffic light.
And
Well, I'm not gonna lie, seems pretty impressive to me.
Yeah, absolutely. And
Easiest way possible to clean up.
Still with the same wipe. Black off brake dust. Go here.
And it will stay on the wipe and it won't make a mess of the
Yeah,
car.
and you can see that there is still a product. So you will be able to use the wipe if it remains wet. As soon as it's not wet,
so
you have to change it.
Out, yeah.
But if it's wet, you can have anything you want on it. It will work.
Okay. That's impressive.
Yeah. Let's find some other area.
Clean like this bit. The carbon. I mean, I don't know how much this could be seen there. You just about see fingerprints and stuff.
I'm not sure we can show it on the camera, but...
Well, I don't know if the camera can see it, but I can certainly see it.
Yeah. Maybe
with
with
mess. Here, the camera must be able to see this little dustiness that's coming off there.
Yeah, see a bit. It was white before.
Yeah.
And so, again, first the wipe, then the microfiber cloth. It's top direction. And put as well, so on your... it's not very relevant on your plastic protection, but on regular cars, you will have polish and anti-rain film as well.
Okay.
So all the first rain you take with your car, for example, if you use it on your windshield, the rain will just go off and won't stay.
Right, okay.
So that's very efficient.
Yeah, for sure.
Even for bikes on the helmet, for example.
Yeah, okay.
If you use your three-wheeler, for example, if you use an helmet.
Sadly, I don't have it anymore.
But oh, yeah.
That was a fun car.
Yeah, definitely. So you can see even here I am on a metallic part. Still can use it. I will be able to remove also light corrosion.
Okay.
So
none of that on here.
No, of course not. But on all cars, for example, it will work. And you can see the difference. I use this product here and not here.
Yeah.
But on camera, it's not so relevant.
You can just see this here. We've got the dirt, and here where we cleaned. Well, maybe you can't, but it is nice and clean. Let's head back round to the front. Because back round here, we've got a ton of mess on the splitter.
Yeah. So to show the difference, let's maybe start with making half of the brake plate, and after as well all the bumper there.
You can tell by how hard you have to wipe to get the flies off how fast I was driving. I would never.
Hopefully not too fast here.
No.
You have regulation.
Yeah.
So with flies, the big thing is to let the product make its effect a bit.
Yeah.
So you do that, and you wait for the product to.
Yeah, because even if you jet wash this stuff, it doesn't come off properly.
No, and even if it's come off, you will have some stain, like
Yeah,
the blood of the.
Yep,
Of the,
trust me, I
the
know all
flies.
about that.
Yeah.
I get my car completely coated in that stuff. You have to properly attack it normally to get these flies off
yeah.
and to clean them up completely.
The issue with this product is when you see a spot, you want to clean it.
Yeah, you want to clean
And
everything.
after, oh yeah, there's something there, and you end up cleaning all your car. So
I can imagine. But for quick tidy ups, I mean, that wasn't exactly much work, and you've cleaned half the front of the car.
yeah, and even here, same. All the sound you have, you don't have to worry about scratching, because as well, everything
It's just
remains
catching in the material.
Yeah, and there is a product who get the pot and keep them, so there is a product around the scratchy part.
Okay,
So
yeah.
even if it's touching the body, it's not scratchy. And you can use it on any paint, even matte paint won't make it shiny.
Oh, really?
As well. Yeah, won't make it shiny at all.
Okay, that's always a tricky thing to clean.
Absolutely. So even on the interior, on leather seats, works very well. And yeah, no risk of scratching. That's a big point. So you see the difference between one side and another.
Yeah, here we've still got all the rubbish.
Obviously, I will make the other side. Won't make,
Yeah, well.
make you look like that, but
Awesome. Well, thank you very much for the demonstration. I'd say that's pretty impressive. Works quite neatly for the purposes I need, that's for sure. All just coming off all that rubbish. And that is how you wash a car without water with Vulcanet. Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for coming by. Thank you for showing it.
Yeah, sure.
And I hope you guys out there enjoyed watching that and maybe give it a go, because I think that's worked pretty well. So thank you very much for watching. I'll pop the links in the description below to where you can find the Vulcanet guys. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you again very soon. Cheers.